Hello! This release is dedicated to all lovers of heavy equipment and monster machines, and today we have the largest excavators, cranes, tractors, and incredibly heavy machinery. Here we go! Crawler is a real monster truck. This is one of the most powerful and incredibly noisy of land vehicles. Crawler carefully transports space shuttles and Apollo missions. This machine weighs 2,500 tons and carries a cargo weighing up to 6,000 tons. So, the total weight of the conveyor, along with the cargo, more than 8,000 tons. Its dimensions are also impressive. 131 feet long and 115 feet wide. Really big monster that powered by two diesel engines with a capacity of 2,750 horsepower each. Big Muskie is the largest moving mechanism on Earth. Its weight is 13,000 tons, length is 490 feet, and its height is more than 220 feet. To start the car, it needs a crew of 5 people. An excavator bucket can easily fit 12 cars. On its construction, $25 million were spent, and during its exploitation, Big Muskie produced more than 20 million tons of coal. Bagger 288 is the largest bucket wheel excavator in the world. The German company Krupp created this miracle for carrying out work in the coal mines. By its size, it surpassed the NASA's crane tracker, 328 feet in height and 705 feet in length, and weighing 13.5 thousand tons. The creation of this giant was spent with $100 million and 5 years of work. Bagger 288 digging at a record high speed, 33 feet of trench per minute. Mammoet is a self-propelled modular conveyor. Its ability is to transport any construction of the most incredible dimensions. For example, a bridge, an oil platform, or ships. It is called modular because several such high-duty conveyors can be combined and work together as a single whole. Interestingly, these machines are controlled with just an electronic control panel. Bridge Layer SLJ 900 is intended for building bridges which consist of many spans. This 328 feet monster can independently move, transport, and fasten the finished segments of the bridge canvas to pre-installed supports. Thanks to this machine, the speed and efficiency of building bridges has increased significantly, and the need for human labor has come down to a minimum. The largest mobile crane in the world is also the most powerful telescopic crane with the longest telescopic boom, 8 parts of which are automatically retracted and installed on the desired length. All mobile cranes have one significant drawback: it's a small load capacity. German engineers have corrected the situation when they created this monster truck, cause it can lift 1,200 tons of cargo to a height of 590 feet. The absolutely unique Japanese crane SK3500D went into the Guinness Book of World Records as the biggest crane destroyer of buildings and skyscrapers in the world. At the end of the machine, you can see huge nippers that allow this crane to operate at a height of 213 feet. This is an absolute world record for the destruction of objects. And here's a representative of the Belarusian automobile plant, Belaz 75710. This is the world's largest dump truck with a payload capacity of 490 tons. The first eye-catching thing is its extraordinary size. The length is 66 feet, the width is about 33 feet, and the height is 26 feet. This monster truck went into the Guinness Book because it carried 503 tons of cargo in a testing range. The price of such a vehicle is about $10 million. That's why it is produced by units and only by order. Its operation on ordinary roads is almost impossible because engineering communications can't withstand this machine, and for a turn, it needs at least 148 feet of free space. Big Bud 747 is the largest tractor in the world, which has remained so for more than 30 years. It was designed for two brother agronomists and remains the only one of its kind. And even today, No agricultural company has developed a technique similar to this tractor. Dimensions of the monster truck are startling. The length is 27 feet, the width is 20 feet, and the height is 15 feet. The machine can treat 400 hectares of soil in a day. Monster truck has doggish appetite. In a minute, there is an expenditure of 6.5 liters of diesel fuel. The world's largest tunneling machine is called Bertha. The cost of this incredible machine is more than $80 million, and its height is like a 5-story house. To transport Bertha from Japan to its destination, it was dismantled into 41 parts, the heaviest weight of which was 900 tons. It must build a traffic intersection under Seattle. In 2013, starting work, it broke down almost immediately, and for many months it had to be repaired, recycled, and even modified. But to date, Bertha has already managed to pass 76% of its way by cutting a passage through 2 kilometers of rock, mud, sand, and earth and clay. After 4 years of travel, Bertha will come out of Earth in June this year. And here we see 116 conventional excavators and the most productive 43 hours of work. In order to not create traffic jams, in Beijing, they decided to demolish the old bridge and put in its place a new one as quickly as possible. So, starting on Friday night, all excavators destroyed the bridge in just 4 hours. And after another 43 hours, the traffic was restored to the new bridge. The Chinese are monsters. There's no other word. And, finally, a unique copy of the Dodge Power Wagon, made to order for an Arab sheikh, also known as the Rainbow Sheikh. This copy is not reduced, but enlarged 8 times. The weight of this super pickup is 50 tons, and inside there are luxurious 4-room apartments with kitchen and bathroom. This incredible machine is equipped with an engine and is even able to move, though not too fast. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.